Hey, Hunger Games fans and movie buffs out there. I've got some electrifying news that's sure to ignite excitement across the districts. Lionsgate has officially announced that they're developing a brand new Hunger Games movie, and this isn't just any sequel. It's a deep dive into the dark dystopian world of Panem, based on Suzanne Collins's latest novel, Sunrise on the Reaping. So buckle up as I take you through what we know so far about this thrilling addition to the Hunger Games saga. First off, the setting is crucial here. Sunrise on the Reaping is set a whole 24 years before Katniss Everdeen ever became the Mockingjay. We're talking about the 50th Hunger Games, also known as the Second Quarter Quell. For those who need a quick refresher, the Quarter Quells are those extra special editions of the games that come around every 25 years, and they always have a twist designed to keep both the tributes and us on our toes. Now, who's steering this ship? None other than Francis Lawrence, the visionary director who brought us the last 3 Hunger Games movies. His return to the director's chair promises a movie that's visually stunning and emotionally gripping. And let's not forget the dream team of producers, Nina Jacobson and Brad Simpson, who have been the backbone of the previous films. It's clear the band's back together, and they're not playing around. What's really compelling about Sunrise on the Reaping is the promise to explore deeper themes of survival, oppression, and rebellion. These are not just buzzwords in the Hunger Games universe, they're the lifeblood of the story. And with a new prequel, we're bound to uncover more about the history of Panem, the origins of the Games, and perhaps most intriguingly, the stories of past tributes and their battles both in and out of the arena. So what can we expect from this new movie? High stakes, intense drama, and of course, heart-wrenching moments of human struggle and triumph. The Hunger Games has never been just about the action in the arena. It's about the human spirit fighting against all odds. And with a setting like the Second Quarter Quell, you can bet we're in for some shocking surprises and breathtaking moments. In conclusion, the announcement of Sunrise on the Reaping is not just great news for Hunger Games enthusiasts, but for anyone who loves a good story about courage, strategy, and the will to overcome. As we eagerly await more details, let's gear up for another cinematic journey that promises to keep us on the edge of our seats. Stay tuned, and may the odds be ever in your favor.